Hey, so I'm going to show you how to earn money online without paying anything. So this is going to be $0, zero investment. The good thing about this, you can get started as soon as you finish watching this video. So make sure you stay tuned and you watch it all the way to the end. If this is your first time here on my YouTube channel, my name is Andre. I talk about affiliate marketing. I talk about how to make money online and just different ways to put more money in your pocket. So make sure you subscribe, turn on that bell notification, because every time I create a brand new video, you're going to be the first one to know. So $0 out of pocket, that's what I'm going to show you how to do it, because I always get messages, Andre, how can I make money without any money? Because sometimes I have people that don't have any money to invest. So I try to go out there and I find the best way. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to earn money online without anything. Let's go. So as I said, the good thing about this, you need zero money out of pocket. I'm going to show you how you can make money doing some work. So this doesn't have to do any filling out a ton of surveys and all the type of stuff, or try to, affiliate marketing and try to do other things. This is going to be something that will be completely different, and you probably haven't seen it on my channel before. So let's jump right into the video. Now, we're going to head on over to Amazon. And everybody knows that Amazon is one of the biggest company. The man who owns it is probably one of the richest person right now. And there's a lot of people on here that are looking for people like you and me that will do work for them. So you don't want to go to Amazon.com. You want to go to Amazon Mechanical Turk. So if you want to go to this website, you got to go to mturk.com. So don't head on over there yet. Don't try to skip ahead. I want to make sure that I give you enough information so you don't make any mistakes and you can make money starting today. So Amazon mturk is a crowdsourcing marketplace that makes it easier for individuals and businesses to outsource their process and jobs, right, to a distributed workforce who can perform these tasks virtually. So in street terms or whatever makes it easier for you, you basically are going to do some jobs, small jobs, because these big companies and people, they are bombarded with so many different things that they want people like you and I to do some of these things, right? So yes, there is going to be some content moderation. mturk enables companies that harness collective intelligence. So you can come down here and you can read up all about this. So how it works, you find the requesters, you go to the marketplace, the workers do the job, and you get paid. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. It is Amazon. So you just come on here and you just sign up. So once you create your account, which will be super easy, you're going to come over here, and this is what I just created, created an account just to show you exactly what are some of the jobs and some of the tasks that you are going to do and you will get paid. So right over here, you can click on where it says accept work, accept work, accept work. Over here, you have to be qualified. And the main reason why they put this as you got to be qualified is they want to make sure that you're able to do these little ones first before you get into the qualification stage. So this was 23 minutes ago, and exact purchase item. So they'll tell you what they're looking for. So if you click on here, you can see time allotted 120 minute, and it expires in 7 days. So extract purchases items from a shopping receipt. So this person want you to see, and they want you to give them the exact amount of what it looks like. So if I click on the preview, there are no more hits available. Let's click on here. This is going to pull up. Okay, there you go. So this is a preview of hit. Click accept, hit to complete. So if you want to take this, you click accept. Do not click accept unless you're ready to do it. So your reward, you're going to be making 8 cents. How long it's going to take, and plus a bonus. So the first 20 items. So you come on here. These are the items here. And what you would do, you would basically look at the image. So you can click on open the image. So here's the image. So it's an IGA, right? And here you'll see they're trying to get as much information like what it is that you see here. So you want to type out exactly how the receipt looks, like from here all the way down here, all the way down here, all the way until the end. So they need a complete, right? The exact amount. So item 1, right, on the first line, you have to put in APICERIE. So you fill this out, you put how much was the item, you put $2.49, and you fill this out the same thing, you put the exact amount, right? What time is the transaction and the date of the receipt? You want to look at the date and the time. So you want to probably look up here. You want to look at the subtitle. So I can go back to this and you could see exactly, what time, what was the date, what was the subtotal. You look down here and you can see, all right, so this particular receipt, the subtotal was 13. Well, subtotal was 47.57. The total was 51.34. So you would come back here. So it's back and forth, back and forth. How much is the sales tax? So you'd come here. What's the sales tax? This look like the sales tax. So you no, value in percentage. Well, if you know Spanish, you could do it, and that's a good thing. You can look at it and be like, all right, listen, I know Spanish. I'm not gonna accept this, so let's go back. Pretty straightforward. So you can come on this one. This is, they paying 1 cent for this. They paying 1 cent for this. This is like 3 cents. So once you start to build the momentum and you gotta keep going, that's how you will be earning money. So if you look at some of these are qualified. This is like 16 cents. And these are little small tasks that you can do. Now, don't get me wrong. This is not something that you're gonna get super rich. You won't get rich. That's the only thing with these. You can make money, but it's gonna require you a lot of time. And most of you watching my videos, you don't have the time. Some will, some won't. So in order for you to be able to do the things that you want, you always have to learn something else. So whether it is learning how to do, whether it's Facebook ads, Instagram, all that type of stuff. Now, if some of you have been following me by now, this is my family. You know my family. This is my wife and I and my kids. And we do this full time. My wife and I, we are online full time. You see, so many people are showing us love. Like, if you are in New York City or heading out there, or somebody go there, we're gonna be on the billboard until the 14th, shooting this on the 17th, shooting this video. So it's a privilege to be able to, after 3 years of all the hard work, we got featured on the billboard. So some of our friends, they're tagging and say, hey, I know him. Congratulations to the Miller family for making the time. But it's not about me. It's not about me. It's all about you. I want to help you. I want you to be able to do the things that you want, spend the time with your family. Maybe you're stuck. Maybe you're frustrated. Maybe you work so much hours at your job that you get to a point when you said, I need to make a change. And that's where we were. Because my wife, she was making $125 every 2 weeks. The money didn't add up. It was very difficult. It wasn't easy. But we went and we decided I needed to make a change. Our son was being born. So look at this. Another friend, I Spy, Brittany Miller and Andre Miller. They see us. They love us. They share. Here's another friend. They went out there just to take this video of us in Times Square. So this is possible. If you want to make a change, you got to do something different. You cannot do the same things over and over again and consistently expect different results. You do the same things, you're not going to get different results. You have to do something completely different in order for you to do that. And that's what we did. We take the leap of faith and we started our own online business. So if you want to see exactly what we're doing, check out the first link in the description. I'll send you that over. And, you know, if you watch the video and you like it, get on board. If you don't like it, I wish you nothing but the best and keep watching my videos. Maybe you will see something that you enjoy. So I'll catch you in the next one. My name is Andre. Peace.